everyone, welcome back to So Aldo. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your old boring t-shirt to a fun, stylish dress. If you want to see how, then keep on watching. First, we're going to cut out the bodice, so I simply use an old t-shirt as my pattern. As you can see here, I'm tracing out the arm side, the sides, and I'm going to adjust the waistline because I want it to be like a high-waisted dress. Also added seam allowances on all sides. As you can see, by doing this, we don't have to deal with the neckline because it's already finished. And then the rest is super easy. We are simply going to cut out the leftover fabrics into long strips of fabrics that we are going to gather and stitch together later on. For reference, the t-shirt that I am using is size large. The brand was Fruit of the Loom. I think this is a Walmart brand. My grandma gave these to me, so I decided to transform it into something that I will love and enjoy. As you can see here, I just folded, trimmed the hemlines and the sleeves, and I'm going to cut it about 5 inches in width. I will need as much fabric as I can because this is going to be gathered dress, so we want a lot of fabrics. So obviously this dress is not going to be super full because I'm only working with a little fabric. So I'm just going to gather it slightly and I'm just going to piece it together. First, I close the side seams of the bodice. Then I am going to piece together the strips of fabrics and I'm going to gather it. I use my serger for this, but you can manually gather the fabric. As you can see, once I gathered it up, I matched the waistline and trimmed the rest. I repeated the same thing to the second tier and I closed the side seam. Now I'm going to match the waistline. Right sides of the fabrics are facing, then stitch all the way around. I will repeat the same thing until I run out of strip of fabrics. And look, what is that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I had to seam rip this area and just stitch it back on. I just trim off the raw edge. Luckily, both sides look the same, so it was an easy fix, thankfully. After I completed the last layer, as you can see, the bottom is just like pieces of little fabrics. But then I realized I ran out of fabric for the sleeves. I was saving it earlier, but I ran out because the bottom tier needed some extra inches. Here I was fiddling around what fabric to use and I resort to the black one. I was avoiding it because it's going to throw off the theme, but I just have no choice. Plus, the material of this is very soft. It's not the same as the two t-shirts that I use. This was made out of bamboo cotton fabric, so it is very soft and flowy. It stretches out a lot, so I simply just use my short sleeve pattern and I place it along the hem so I don't have to finish it if you notice that. And I'm just going to fold and stitch the side seams to place it inside the arm side and sew in the round. Then all what's left to do is finish the hemline and the dress is completed. I decided to add bows on the neckline and on the side just to give it some more uniqueness to it. I think the sewing project turned out so cute. I was really surprised with the way it turned out, and I will rate this sewing project 8 out of 10. If you have any question about the sewing project today, be sure to leave them in the comments down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye!